Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread for my cudgel, which is the Botanicals. Classic says Happy Planner. It is a vertical layout and we're going to be decorating the week of October 2nd through the 8th. I did print some images from Etsy that I wanted to use for that. Look at these haunted mansions or like magic shops, whatever these are. They're super, super cute. So that's what I wanted to use. I am going to be keeping this spread extremely simple. The reason is because I have so much going on this week that I will need all the space to write in possible. So it's going to be very, very simple, and I hope you will enjoy it. If you want to hang out, stay, and find out what we're going to do. So I'm using both of the autumn stickers from Jojo. I am going to be using purple to bring out the purple from Dimensions. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna add the sidebar. This is for all the stuff that I need to do this week, and then it can go and be scheduled accordingly once I have time. So I'm gonna be alternating all of these checklists. Like I said, it is a busy week ahead. I'm very much looking forward to it. But I need all the brain power that the planner allows me to have. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, add all of these checklists, and they're gonna be alternating from the top box to the middle box and go from there. If this is your first time joining, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, thanks so much for coming back and hanging out with me. So here we go. I'm gonna be adding so many different stickers. I'm just looking through them. Okay, so mostly functional this week, and then we'll get back to it, but definitely Halloween vibes. So I'm gonna now get boxes, but before, let's add these monstrosities to my spread. Like, look how beautiful they are, but at the same time how spooky they are. Like, I don't fully understand how those two things are at play at the same time. Okay, anyway, so monstrosity and lovely. Now we're gonna add another one on this side. Like, these huge ones are so much fun for me to add, and I have smaller ones, but the huge ones are definitely very visible with all the detail. Like, look at the stairs going on the side on the second one, and all of the windows are lit up and you can see inside. Like, that's what I love about these. Now we're gonna add a tall one. Now I'm gonna add this crooked bookshelf one. So I don't know if you can see, but all the bookshelves are kind of crooked, and I don't know how the books are staying in, but yeah, kind of cool. And then we're gonna add one more like so, and now it's time for boxes. So I'm gonna need boxes galore for this week, so that's what we're gonna do. I need my work boxes, so that's where I mark my work hours, and then my event boxes. So I mark main events and appointments and stuff with boxes as well, so my attention can focus on there. So that's how I've been doing it, and that's how I want to keep doing it. So I'm gonna add some of this light purples and darker purples into the spread, and then we'll go from there. So like you see, this is much darker, and then we're gonna add the lighter one. Yep. I'm gonna play with the pairing of these. I'm definitely having fun even just putting boxes. You guys, I love stickers. It's so much fun to play with stickers and be an adult. I don't know what it is about it, but it's so calming, at least for me. And it gives me just such a sensations of being in control of my life and stuff, because I see how much I have done. Otherwise, I think a lot of those days I would feel unproductive, because once something is done, it's out of my mind. Okay, so the 7th I need to add a box, the 8th I need to add a box, the 6th I'm gonna need to add more boxes, and then we'll go from there. Yep, I have another thing up here. Let's do that. Okay, all done. And then I think I'm just gonna add maybe 1 or 2 of those tiny little haunted houses into the spread, and then that will be it. I think I'm gonna add one to Saturday, but if I need that space, I will take it off. And then I want to put one in the sidebar to kind of bring in that spookiness in there as well. These houses are just terrifying to me, you guys. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna pop this back in my planner. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Bye!